training methods or methods of the training, there are mainly two types of training methods, that is on the job method and off the job method. In on the job method, we are going to study the job rotation, coaching, job instruction, step-by-step training, committee assignment. And in off the job, like it is like a duration of program that gives the training, like a vestibule training, role playing, lecture method, and conference and program instruction. So these are the mainly two types of methods of the training. So training methods, on the job methods, training methods means, so this type of training also known as the job instruction training. So this is the most commonly used as the method. So under this method, the individual is placed on a regular job and taught the skills necessary to perform the job. Okay. So job rotation is one method of on-the-job training. So it involves the movement of the trainee from one job to another. So the trainee receives job knowledge and gains experience from his supervisors or a trainer. So this type of training gives an opportunity to the trainee to understand the problem of the employee on the other jobs and respect them. Next method is coaching. The trainee is placed under a particular supervisor who functions as a coaching in the training and the individual. So the supervisor provides a feedback to the trainee on his performance and offers him to some suggestions for the improvement. Job instruction. So this method also known as the step-by-step training. So under this method, the trainer explains to the trainee the way of the doing jobs, so knowledge and skills, and allows him to do the job. So the trainer appraises the performance, provides information, and corrects the trainee. JIT. So the job instruction training is also known as the JIT. To begin, list all necessary steps in the job, each in its proper sequence. So alongside each step, also list a corresponding key point. So the steps show what is to be done and the key points show how it's to be done and why. So here is a we can say that the example like start motor. So there will be there should be one instructor should be there, and set cutting distance, like carefully read scale to prevent wrong size cut, and place paper on cutting table, like make sure there will be key points certain, make sure paper is even to prevent uneven cut. So these are the things, like wherever the person is giving the instructions, that we have to be, the employees or the candidates has to be follow that method. Committee assignment. Under this method, group of trainees is given and asked to solve an actual organization problem. So the trainees solve the problem jointly and develop the teamwork. It is like solving the case studies only type of. Of the job methods, like under this method of training, the trainee is separated from the job situation and his attention, and focused on only on the learning and material related to his future job performance. So in that vestibule training, in this method, actual work conditions are simulated in a classroom. So material files and needed equipment and also used in training. So this type is used for training personnel for clerical and semi-skilled jobs. So role playing is defined as a method of human interaction that involves realistic behavior in an imaginary situation. So this method of training involves action doing the practices, but this method is mostly used for developing interpersonal interaction and relations. So role playing is like a very interactive sessions for the candidates, as well as it grabs the attentions very easily by doing the role playing training method. Lecture method, common it is like the lecture is a traditional or direct method of instruction. So the instructor organizes the material and gives it to a group of trainee in the form of talk. So this is beneficial to train a large group of the trainees. So conference, like it is a method of for clerical, professional and supervisory personnel. So this involves a group of people who put forth ideas, like examine and share facts, ideas, assumptions, and draw a conclusion. So the success of this method depends on the leadership qualities of the persons who leads the group. Program instructions, like in a recent years, this method has become popular. The subject matter to be learned in a presented in a series of carefully planned sequential. So this method is expensive and time consuming.